Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack. Today I will be showing you how to transfer Brave browser to new computer. So guys, first thing is of course open up your Brave browser into your computer. Now for example, the current Brave browser that I'm in is my old computer. So I would do first is go to the three lines over here and now go ahead and go for the settings down below on the right side corner. Now over here guys, you could just simply go ahead and go for the sync feature over here on the left side of the screen. And now as you can see, you will have here manage your sync devices. Now go ahead and click on this. Now from here, as you can see, I have a custom sync, or you could also go for sync everything. So every data will be transferred. Now to transfer, you would just simply select first view sync code, and you will have your code over here. And now guys, here on your target computer, you would just simply go ahead and go to the sync category as well, and you will have an option. I have a sync code, and you could just simply enter this code. Or if you have a phone, you could just simply select view QR code down below over here. And now from here, you could just simply go onto your mobile device and go to the Brave sync as well in the settings. And you could just simply select the sync, scan sync code, and you should be able to scan it directly over here in order for you to transfer it. Pretty much, you could just simply go to your new computer and provide the code that you have saved in over here, as you can see. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.